Welcome to this quick tutorial about the AI voice Solaria, created by Eclipsed Sounds in partnership with Dreamtonics. I've been composing with Solaria for over a year now, and today I want to talk about some common mistakes and tell you how to avoid them. I will give you an example for each point. As this is a quick tutorial, I will get right into it. The length of the bars. Each sentence that you want Solaria to sing needs its own timing and melody. When composing, don't just draw bars of the same length for each syllable.
Complaining to the world, that's what I do best.
Rather, create a timing that fits to the vocal line and to the feeling that you want to express.
Complaining to the world, that's what I do best.
Pay attention to the melody. Don't stay on the same notes with little variation, but use your musical talent to create a melody that sounds interesting.
Complaining to the world, that's what I do best.
This point is most important. Pay attention to the sound and timing of the spoken words. I have tried to find a really bad example to illustrate what I mean. Never do this.
Broken promises, like shattered glass.
Take into consideration how a real singer would sing the line, how you would sing it yourself. Which syllables are accentuated? You don't say broken, but broken. You don't say promises, but promises. A better option would be this.
Broken promises, like shattered glass.
Our next point is timing. Take care when you integrate the vocal line into your song. Long drawn and accentuated syllables should always be placed on a bar line in your song. Don't place them just anywhere. In this example, you see how the words broken, shattered and glass are placed exactly on a bar line.
Promises broken like shattered glass.
A bad timing with words not placed on the bar lines gives a disturbing feeling to the listener.
Promises broken like shattered glass. We were a future.
Don't neglect the loudness of notes. Higher notes are louder than lower notes. In some cases you have to regulate their loudness so that they are not too hard on the ear of the listener. Here is an example.
I don't want solutions, I need your pity.
Here the words I, solutions and need should be regulated. We go into the Edit Loudness menu and reduce their volume a little bit.
I don't want solutions, I need your pity.
Give a pleasing pitch to high notes. Don't let them sound shrill and off-pitch. Solaria has her limits, just like a human singer. But sometimes you want to use such high notes, especially in backing vocals. Take care that they have a regular pitch and don't sound disturbing. If you own Synthesizer V Studio Pro, you can work with this little trick. When it sounds like this,
I don't want solutions, I need your pity.
transpose the whole line down an octave, renew the pitch with the random seed function, transpose it back up an octave.
I don't want solutions, I need your pity.
The worst mistake to make, don't be satisfied with just anything. Hear over and over if the notes, the timing and the pitch of your vocals are pleasing, and match the notes and atmosphere of your song. Change it over and over until you are really satisfied. Hear it with fresh ears the day after and the day after. Each day you will discover some details that can be made better. Try to be objective. Would you like the vocals if somebody else has made them and you heard them as a random listener? Don't stop until you are really satisfied. If you own Solaria Pro, take care that the settings of the voice fit to your lyrics. If you have reflective lyrics, let a grown-up woman sing. If you have easy or funny lyrics, let a younger girl sing. Maybe you ask yourself if Solaria Lite is enough for you or if you should get the Pro version. I will give you my opinion. I have both versions, and I must say that I prefer the Lite version. It is that voice that fits best to our lyrics. Lite is easier to handle than Pro, it has softer consonants and vocals, it has less electric sounding interferences, which is especially important when the voice is used solo or with not much background music. Pro has the advantage that the voice is clearer, of better sound quality, and that you have different voice settings to choose from, soft, airy, power, passionate, and so on. You can make your own mixture and have a voice that sounds different in each song. Should you get Synth V Studio Basic or Pro? It depends on what you need. The Pro version of Synth V Studio has got advantages. I value especially the random seed function, while Basic has only instant mode to work with, which is good as long as you don't change much in your initial composition. But as soon as you begin to really work on it, when you correct the notes or the timing repeatedly, it may sound awkward. With the Synth V Pro version, you can choose a completely new pitch for the vocal line. You can renew that pitch as many times as you want, and, in the end, keep the one that sounds best to you. You can work good with both the free or Pro versions of Synth V or Solaria and make beautiful vocals. The only thing you absolutely need is some musical talent to compose a good melody with a good timing. Let Solaria do the rest. I wish you good luck and creative moments composing your own vocals. If you want to, come over to the Vero Music channel, where you can find our Solaria songs. I hope they can be an inspiration for you.